Hello friends, this is Nitesh and welcome to my channel Code Heaven. So in the previous video we have showed this pattern, number pattern. So in this video we are going to create a diamond pattern with the numbers, and after that we will create that pattern with the stars, but first with the numbers. So how a diamond pattern look like? It look like, so our diamond pattern will look like this. So let's go and create this pattern with the help of the code. So this is the previous code of the number pattern which we have created in the last video. So we need the same code twice. So guys, you really need to go back and watch my all videos of star patterns if you want to uh, create this diamond pattern, or if you want to completely understand the diamond pattern, because all videos are linked together in this. So you have to watch my previous videos. So I'll definitely provide the link into the description. So what we are going to do in this, so this will gives us this pattern, the two triangles, because we just copy paste the code twice. So it will give this pattern. So now what we need to actually reverse this pattern, reverse the second triangle, so that we can achieve the pattern which I have just showed you. So for that we need to turn it reverse. So what we should do, we should go for like this, greater than and greater than, and we should go like this, here 0, and it is smaller. So yes, we have achieved this pattern. So let me guys go through with the logic of this. So we know about the logic of this thing, this for loop. So now with this, so this I starts with the 4, this also starts with the 4 now, and it goes till 0. So on this if condition, j has to be less than I, but this time it is equal, so it will print the space. So where we are 1 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So here this thing is like being created with our previous video, with this for loop, which is starting with the 11th line number and which ended on the 24th line number. So this is the code which print this. So after that our for loop is initiated. uh, the I value is 4 here, and with the j value is 4 here. So j is not less than I, so it will going to print a space. So let's come down, print the space, we printed the space. So after that I becomes, after that I becomes 3, because it's minus minus. So sorry, I is still 4. We are in the J loop with the condition false and we printed the space, and then J becomes 3, and when J becomes 3, so J is less than I. J is less than I because J is 3 and I is 4, then this condition is satisfied. So here I value is 4, and what the K value is, like 4 into 2 is 8 minus 1 7. So this loop runs 7 times and it will print 1 to 7. So we will going to print 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. After that it breaks and it came end of line. When it came end of line, then we come here with the cursor on the starting position. So after that I becomes 3 now, J becomes again 4. So 4 is less than I, 4 is less than 3, no, condition wrong, it will print the space. So we are here, we printed the space. After that J becomes 3. Is 3 smaller than 3? No, condition again false, it will again print the space. It will again print the space. So it will again print the space, we again apply the space. So after that J becomes 2. When J becomes 2, then the condition satisfied, and here I value is 3, and 3 into 2 is 6 minus 1 equal to 5. So it means this loop runs 5 times and print 1 2 3 4 5. So we are here 1 2 3 4 5. After that when I value becomes 2, here J value becomes again 4. So it will print the space because this condition will not satisfy at J equal to 4 and 3. So, and if J becomes 3, then also this condition not satisfied, so we print 2 spaces. When J becomes 2, then this also condition not satisfied, then this will print 3 spaces. Then J becomes 1. At this time this condition will be satisfied. I is equal to 2, 2 to the 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. We need to print 3 space, and this loop runs 3 times and it will print 1 2 3. So we need to here give 3 space and print 1 2 3. And after that I becomes 1, J becomes 4, then it will print like 4 spaces because this condition will not be satisfied till J equal to 0. So J equal to 4 it will print a space, when J equal to 3 it will print one more space. So till J equal to 1 it prints space only. So we print 4 spaces with the starting from the starting 1 2 3 and 4, and we have the value of I equal to 1. This becomes 0 at this time. Then 1 into 2 is equal to 2 minus 1 equal to 1. Then this loop works for a single time and it will print only 1. So we are here, we print 1, and so that's how we achieved our pattern. We finally achieved our number pattern. So in the end, like we want to print the star as a diamond pattern. So what we should do, we should print star here, and we should remove this, and on the above side we should print star here, and we should remove this. Just save it and let's run it. So you can see we have successfully achieved the star pattern of diamond, and I have also showed you the number diamond pattern as well in this video. So yes, this is it for this video. I hope you guys understood the complete logic, and if not, you can comment me. I'll definitely provide you some documentation of this so that you can understand the diamond pattern very easily. Yes, so thank you guys, thank you so much for hanging with me. So please like and subscribe my videos, and I hope you guys are enjoying the coding. Thank you guys, thank you very much.